This is a quick demo for KOR Connect. You're now in the dashboard screen. The top right Connect API button will allow us to create a new middleware connection between your front end and a third-party API. Start by naming it. I'll choose Giphy for this example. A sample API key. Giphy uses the header name API_key. And the API URL is the base URL, which in our case will be API giphy.io, and I'll also include the version number. Now the domain is going to be the domain used by your frontend. KOR will know only to allow traffic from this domain. In our case, in development, we can use localhost as a domain. This will take just a few seconds, and we'll see some of the additional details and instructions to integrate this with your code. Notice then the connection details, first thing you'll see is the URL, which is going to substitute the base URL for your API. To this URL, you're able to append the endpoints to be used. Let's take a look at the snippets. Note that you have some of the common frameworks on the tabs. I'll choose React for our conversation. In here, let's take a look first of all at the Axios call, which is going to be doing the API call. Notice that we have pre-populated the base URL here. To this URL, you would be able to append the endpoint to be used, such as search GIFs, for example. And the headers contain some additional parameters that help us validate traffic and score your traffic. The API key here is a public key, so it's not a problem to expose. Additionally, see that we are using reCAPTCHA, and we're using this specifically as an attestation provider. From this point on, you're able to follow these instructions, integrate it into your front end, and you'll be using KOR in no time. Thank you.